What's up, everyone? Today we're back at it. Hopefully I'll get some more time lapses this time. I was pretty bad about filming last night, so let's just get right into it. It's gonna be a long night. See this dark hole where it looks like there's nothing significant down there? Well, there is something significant. It's the last bolt that holds on this light, and it's not that I can't get to it, but I can't get it out. It's stripped, it's rusty, so I need to figure out a way to drill that out with an extension. So the drill, it's too far down. Sweet little victory.
Need a nice little cleaning in there.
I know. You heading out of here?
Yep, about that time of night.
See you later.
Usually takes a regular mechanic 30 minutes to do this. It took us
2 hours.
2 hours.
I haven't used the Ronin in a little while, so let's just take a moment and appreciate the finer things in life. Did you guys ever order something from USPS and the delivery day says 1 to 2 days and it takes a week? Yes. You know.